and chemistry. And being good at STEM results in careers like being a doctor, a chemist, a computer network developer, aerospace engineer, music producer, mathematician, contractor, scientist, and so on. And did you know in 2020 there were 1.4 million computing job openings? $100 billion was spent on green technology. 8 out of 10 of the most wanted future employees have STEM backgrounds, and STEM jobs pay 70% more. So here at Schoolhouse 7, we developed a couple activities for you to work on STEM at home. This first one deals with bridge building. Now, there's a reason why they don't build bridges flat like this, because when you put a pressure on it or any weight, it bends and it finally breaks. However, check this out. The same bridge design, same stuff, but we used an accordion folded paper, and I'm going to put tons of weight here and change, a lot more than I was using with my finger, and as you can see, it barely even bends. That's how they build bridges. So you could also experiment by building bridges with popsicle sticks and things like that. And speaking of popsicle sticks, we used them to build a catapult here to test how far it would go with different designs and adding different functions. Also, say you wanted to open up a skateboard repair shop at home, but you had no way to keep the skateboard lifted in the air. Here at Schoolhouse 7, we're going to show you how to build a winch using paper towel rolls, a toothpick, a cord, and some basic roll of ribbon. So here's the skateboard. We put it up here like this. You want to get that thing up in the air so you can work on it. So you turn it, and then you put the paper clip in here, or excuse me, the toothpick, and it holds it up in the air, and you have a perfectly good working winch that you can move the skateboard up and down to repair. They use these all the time in auto mechanic shops. So there you go. This was Specials Day 3. Have some fun out there with STEM. Keep reading, keep writing, but most importantly, be safe.